What are you up to?
You putting that on the other side? Oh! Barely fit. Oh! Are you gonna feed that through? You got that through that slot last time. You fed that through, huh? How did you feed that through? There's a little sliver of a space and you got that paper through, huh? Here, you want me to help you? I'll help you get started. Like that? Is that how you did it? Is that how you did it last time? Yeah. Oh, out again. Just watch your head when you go under there because you fit, but barely.